What are we doing today, Bodhi?
Rolling guards.
Rolling guards.
Rolling loud.
So today we are rolling the guards on the S15 because it won't get registered like that, sadly. Sticks out a fair bit. I don't reckon it sticks out that bad. What do you reckon, Bodhi? And I'm putting in these Parker lights just to get defected, but don't worry about that. Mint. Bodhi, tell us what we need to roll guards.
A heat gun and a guard roller.
A heat gun and a guard roller and a jack.
Yeah, and a jack.
And a thing to get your studs out. And a lot of determination. And a blow dry so Bodhi can blow dry his hair.
It's fucking hot.
Sweet.
He's on there.
Blood nuts are off. Oh, and my voice is going. Bodhi loves it. Oh, big man. Big fucking union player. Oh yeah. Right, so how does this work, Bodhi? I've never done this before, bud.
What you want to do, you want to heat the guard up until you can not fucking so it's melting the paint, but so you can rest your hand on it for a little bit. And then, yeah.
Nice.
Not too hot, but not too cold.
Wait. Hello, Dinky.
G'day.
Hello, Bodhi. While Bodhi's rolling the guards, I'm going to do the Parker lights. My engine bay is gross looking at the moment. I need to clean it up. Look at that. Shit everywhere. Give it a clean and take that gross gold tape off. Alright. So, Parkers are these ones. How will I get to them, I think? Yeah, no, they're my Parkers. Alright. I've taken the Parker light out. Hold on, I'll adjust my camera. Taken the Parker light out. It's this one on S15's.
When you say pack, that's what you go.
I've got the packet here. I'm not too sure if they'll fit or not, but we will find out. So for now, I'll just put this in my pocket. Just slot into that one, so I'll just. Oh man, I hate not having hands. Right, the Parker's in there now. I'll just do the other one real quick and then we'll turn it on and have a look, eh?
Yeah. Nobody's gonna search your fragile. Ugly. Hey. Oh.
Okay, the Parker lights are in.
And then roll the guard.
So put them on. Don't worry, I've got to turn them on through the actual remote.
Yeah. No, I looked at it. I feel like I'm about to go on the wall.
Oh no, oh, that one's working. This one's on.
If it's anything like mine, one you'll have to unplug and plug back in just to get the cup to start. Actually, no, with mine I had to plug them in a certain way. Like one way I'll turn it around.
I'll take a video of them in the dark tonight. This headlight's a bit faded, I'll get that buffed up. But other than that, they look pretty cool. Sweet, now that's done. We've got one guard done, we just got to do the other one. Turn that disgusting bipping off. And that bipping. Okay. They've come out a bit. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Could be.
Huh? Yeah, it's the shock refrigerator. I'm not lying.
Bodhi smells like ass, doesn't he?
What did you say you think about going?
Yeah, I think I'd go on a 34.
Huh?
Huh?
Fuck, I'd do it. They go cheap too, man.
So does Bodhi.
Are you gonna sell the rock or keep it and then just fucking
I'll keep it.
have it for a daily?
What are you doing, Daggle Dog? It's not even a rat.
Okay, we've rolled one guard. We'll only do one today, we'll do the other one tomorrow. I've lowered my coilovers as well, so it should set quite nicely. This is the stock one. So yeah, done it a fair bit. Alright, that's today's video.
I didn't do anything.
Say goodbye, Dink.
So yeah.
Say goodbye, Bodhi.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers. See you, Dink.
Catch you in the next episode.